अभी हम सीखेंगे कि हमारे सेंटेंस में नॉट का यूज़ कैसे करें। NOT नॉट का यूज़ कैसे करें। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वी यूज़ द वर्ड नॉट आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन द सेंटेंसेज। हमारे सेंटेंस में नॉट का यूज हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद ही होना चाहिए। हेल्पिंग वर्ब मीन्स लाइक एम, आर, इज, वर, हैव, हैज, हैड, डू, डज, डिड, मस्ट, कैन, ये सभी हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं। तो नॉट का यूज हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद ही आएगा। एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक एम नॉट, एम यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब है और नॉट इसीलिए एम के बाद आया है। ऐसे ही दूसरे और भी उदाहरण हम देखते हैं। एम नॉट, इज नॉट, आर नॉट, वाज नॉट, वर नॉट, कैन नॉट। Here always remember cannot is used always written as one word. It is always written as one word. Cannot को हमेशा एक वर्ड जैसा लिखना चाहिए। कैन और नॉट के बीच में स्पेस देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। कैन नॉट, शैल नॉट, विल नॉट, मे नॉट, मस्ट नॉट, ought not, do not, has not, should not, did not, have not. Read these helping verbs with the word not to make your tongue familiar to these negative expressions. It will help you a lot. Remember, when a sentence contains do, does, did, and have, has, both, you will use the word not after do, does, did. अगर आपके सेंटेंस में डू, डज, डिड एंड हैव, हैज़ दोनों चीज़ें हैं तो आप डू के बाद यूज़ करेंगे नॉट वर्ड का। डू, डज, डिड के बाद नॉट वर्ड का यूज़ करेंगे, ना कि हैव, हैज़ के बाद। क्योंकि ऐसे सेंटेंसेज में डू, डज, ही, डू, डज, डिड ये ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब है और हैव, हैज़ ये सभी मेन वर्ब बन जाते हैं। और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि नॉट का यूज हमेशा हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद होती है, इसीलिए जब भी आपके सेंटेंस में डू, डज, डिड और हैव, हैज़ दोनों रहे तो हमेशा नॉट का यूज आप डू, डज, डिड के बाद ही करेंगे। Here you can see the word not is used after the word do, does, did because in these sentences the word have is used as main verb, not as helping verb. Always remember, you use the word not after the helping verb in these sentences. Remember, cannot is always written as one word. It means you don't need to have a space between can and not. Always write it as one word. CANNOT, cannot. The sentences from positive sentences to negative sentences. I am ill. I am not ill. He is busy today. He is not busy today. Liam is late. Liam is not late. We are ill. We are not ill. You are idle. You are not idle. They are late today. They are not late today. Jia was absent yesterday. Jia was not absent yesterday. We were present yesterday. We were not present yesterday. He can speak English. He cannot speak English. We shall have a holiday tomorrow. We shall not have a holiday tomorrow. She will visit us next week. She will not visit us next week. We may have another apple. You may not have another apple. He must see her today. He must not see her today. Caleb ought to help his friend. Caleb ought not to help his friend. I am working hard. I am not working hard. You are singing an English song. You are not singing an English song. He is learning English. He is not learning English. She was cooking dinner in the kitchen. She was not cooking dinner in the kitchen. We were playing in the park. We were not playing in the park. They are visiting us this afternoon. They are not visiting us this afternoon. He is washing the dishes. He is not washing the dishes. The cat was going away. The cat was not going away. He is washing the dishes. He is not washing the dishes. The cat was going away. The cat was not going away. Here we can see we always put helping verb, then not, then verb. It means if we have both the helping verb and the main verb, we put the word not in between the helping verb and the main verb. Thank you.